you ever wondered what creates the legendary flavor of an Oreo cookie? From the crisp, rich cocoa-flavored cookie shell to the smooth, creamy filling in the center, each Oreo is a masterpiece of modern technology, a proprietary recipe, and an endless passion for creativity. History of Oreo cookies. As delicious and famous as it is, did you know that the Oreo cookie was actually born way back in 1912? Yep, that's right. This little cookie, round, dark, with a white cream center, was created by the National Biscuit Company, which we all know today as Nabisco. Right from the very first cookies sold in New York, Oreo quickly became a sensation thanks to its unique recipe and iconic design. For over 100 years of rolling across the globe, Oreo has not only reinvented its flavors from vanilla and chocolate to matcha, but has also constantly changed its outfit to suit all ages and every special occasion. It may look small and cute, but Oreo is actually a senior cookie over 100 years old, both classic and trendy, the true definition of old but gold. How are Oreo cookies made? Let's explore that magical process to understand why Oreo is not just a cookie, but a sweet symbol of childhood and shared moments all around the world. 1. Ingredient preparation, kicking off the transformation show. First up on the sweet stage, essential ingredients like wheat flour, sugar, rich dark cocoa powder, vegetable oil, a pinch of salt, and those signature Oreo flavorings, all lined up and ready to go. But it's not just thrown in carelessly. Everything is measured with ultra-precision using automatic weighing machines. Dry ingredients are transported through air-driven pipes from the silo system straight to the mixing area. Before entering the mixer, all ingredients pass through a sifting machine to remove any impurities. Clean and clear right from the start. 2. Mixing the dough, the secret to a super smooth blend. Once the ingredients are ready, they head straight into a giant industrial mixer, ready to work its magic. This machine kneads everything into a smooth, elastic dough, no lumps, no mess, just the perfect moisture level. At this stage, the moisture control machine steps in to make sure the dough is not too dry, not too sticky, just right for perfect shaping later without crumbling or clumping. 3. Shaping and molding, time to strike a stylish pose. After mixing, the dough heads straight to the automatic roller, where it's rolled out into a long, thin sheet, smooth as paper and ready for its close-up. Then comes the super smart molding machine, stamping each cookie with Oreo's legendary design and cutting it into that perfectly round shape, flawless every time. Each cookie looks like it just stepped off the runway, perfect shape, iconic pattern, totally premium. 4. Baking, the magical journey into the oven. Freshly molded cookies hop onto the conveyor train heading straight into the tunnel oven. Inside the oven sauna, they chill, well, not really, for 3 to 5 minutes at 180 to 210 degrees Celsius. Coming out crispy, golden, okay, dark cocoa, and smelling like heaven. With smart automation in charge, every Oreo is baked to cocoa perfection, crispy, even, and smelling so good it could stop you in your tracks. Baking stunned? Not quite. These cookies still need a blast of forced air cooling to chill out properly before the next step. 5. Creaming and sandwiching, one bite and you're hooked. This is the legendary step, slathering that creamy goodness and sandwiching the cookies together. 2 Oreo cookie halves get sealed with sweetness by a smooth, creamy white filling, perfectly placed by the automatic cream spreading and sandwiching machine. The cream amount is spot on, thanks to a precise dosing machine, never too little to feel flat, never too much to cause a messy overload. 6. Packaging, dressed up and ready to travel the world. Once the cookies are complete, it's time to get suited up. Each one slides into a high-speed packaging machine, gets sealed tight, and stamped with a best before date, ready to roll out in style. Then, the smaller packs are automatically boxed into cartons, ready to embark on their delicious journey around the globe. 7. Quality check, tasty, tidy, and totally on point. Before leaving the factory, every batch of Oreo goes through a weight check and a high-tech camera/X-ray system to catch any cookie gone rogue, extra cream, off-center shapes, or anything that doesn't belong. Only the best make the cut. Finally, the cookies are sent off to a smart, automated warehouse, AS/RS, patiently waiting for their big moment to hit the shelves and meet you. Summary of Oreo cookies. Behind that sweet outer shell lies an entire journey of precision and care, where every ingredient is carefully selected and every step is strictly controlled to deliver the most perfect cookie to your hands. Oreo isn't just a snack, it's a legend loved across generations, a true cookie icon. Twist it, lick it, dunk it, oh, fall for it. There's only one cookie that plays it this cool, Oreo.